Lost in a sea of digital tools? Let's find the perfect one for any job. For every problem, there's a tool. Sounds great, right? Well, that's also the problem. So with a million options, how do you pick? We're going to cut through the noise with 2 simple steps. First, you need a discovery engine. Your starting point is there is an AI for that. Just go to the site, type in your problem, and you'll get a huge list of options. Okay, you've got a candidate. But is it any good? That brings us to the crucial second step. And this is the whole process. First, you discover, then you vet. It's that simple. So, what exactly is Product Hunt? Think of it as the ultimate launchpad for new tech. It's where founders launch their new stuff, so you get real, unfiltered feedback from actual users. So one gives you a long list of tools. The other helps you find the best ones. All right, let's put this method to the test. How does it work for common, everyday problems? Sick of Excel? You might find an AI code pilot. Hate presentations? A tool can build them for you. And now for the ultimate secret weapon that came up. This one is a real game changer. So what's the absolute best free tool for research? Well, one name kept coming up again and again. The answer? Google Deep Research. Apparently, it's insanely powerful and totally free. Yeah, no tool comes closest to that. That pretty much says it all, doesn't it? So there's your framework. Discover, then vet. Now, what time-consuming problem are you going to solve first?